Hello dear students! At the final lection of our course, we will consider perspectives of development of ICT in different spheres of life. First sphere is education. It is possible that we will pass from regular learning to adaptive. It is an educational method which uses computer algorithms to orchestrate the interaction with the learner and deliver customized resources and learning activities to address the unique needs of each learner. In professional learning context, individuals may test out of some training to ensure they engage with novel instructions. Computers adapt the presentation of educational material according to students' learning needs, as indicated by their responses to questions, tasks, and experiences. The technology encompasses aspects derived from various fields of study, including computer science, artificial intelligence, psychometrics, education, psychology, and brain science. Also, more popularity gain online courses. Online courses are revolutionizing formal education and have opened a new genre of outreach on cultural and scientific topics. These courses deliver a series of lessons to a web browser or mobile device, to be conveniently accessed anytime or any place. Schools and universities will involve virtual reality in educational programs. Virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Unlike traditional user interfaces, virtual reality places the user inside an experience. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds. Second part is transportation. Already we use so-called self-driving cars. It is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and navigating without much human input. Autonomous cars combine a variety of techniques to perceive their surroundings, including radar, laser lights, GPS, odometry, and computer visions. Also, for delivering packages, food, or other goods, some countries start to use drones and aircrafts without a human pilot abroad. It might be that in the nearest future it won't be so uncommon to have flying car with artificial intelligence on board. Third part is medicine. As a part of telemedicine, we use medical robots in the medical sciences. For example, surgical robots. These are in most telemanipulators, which use the surgeon's action on one side to control the effector on the other side. We also begin to use nanorobotics, which is an emerging technology field creating machines or robots whose components are at or near the scale of a nanometer. For example, biological machines could be used to identify and destroy cancer cells. Another potential application is the detection of toxic chemicals and the measurement of the concentration in the environment. Fourth part are green and smart technologies. We talked about it on our previous lectures. Fifth part. In our financial life, there is a big impact of growing direction called cryptocurrency. It is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses strong cryptography to secure financial transactions, control the creation of additional units, and verify the transfer of assets. Cryptocurrency's use is decentralized. Example of popular cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin or Ethereum. And of course we will have some improvements in IT itself. There are new types of computers which are developing today. It's DNA computers, supercomputers, and quantum computers. A DNA computer is a computer system that uses the computational capabilities of DNA molecules. A supercomputer is a computer with a high level of performance compared to a general-purpose computer. Performance of a supercomputer is measured in floating point operations per second, so-called flops. And a quantum computer is a device that performs quantum computing. Such a computer is different from binary digital electronic computers based on transistors. Whereas common digital computing requires that the data be encoded into binary digits, bits, each of which is always in one of two defined states, 0 or 1, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits, which can be in superposition of states. All mentioned computers can store and handle in times more information than modern computers. So that's all for today's lecture and for ICT course as well. I hope that the whole course was interesting for you, and I wish you a good luck in your further studies. Goodbye.